Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a creamy keyboard. First, gather your tools. Switch lubricant, a switch opener, a small brush, and stabilizer grease. You'll also need a screwdriver to open your keyboard case and some foam for sound dampening. This process involves careful disassembly and reassembly, but the results are well worth the effort for a premium typing experience. Lubricating your switches is the most crucial step for a creamy feel. Use a thin brush to apply a small amount of lubricant, like Cridox 205 grade 0, to the stems, rails, and the bottom housing. Be precise. Too much lube can make the switch feel mushy. This reduces friction, creating a smoother press and a deeper sound profile for each key. Next, focus on your stabilizers. These are often the source of rattling noises. Remove them and apply a thicker grease, such as Permatex dielectric grease, to the wire ends and inside the housing. Clipping the small feet on the stabilizer stems also helps eliminate unwanted noise. Properly modded stabilizers will significantly improve the overall sound and feel of your larger keys. Finally, enhance your keyboard's sound profile with case foam and appropriate keycaps. Adding a layer of foam inside the keyboard case helps dampen hollow sounds, contributing to a more solid and creamy acoustic. For keycaps, thicker PBT plastic often produces a deeper, more satisfying thwack. Experiment with different profiles to find the perfect combination for your ultimate creamy keyboard experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.